Okay, this is going to be our first YouTube video, and I'm Joe Jr., and this is Old Car Parts. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get on YouTube so we can help all the people that are interested in six-cylinder stuff and anything as far back as 1936. So, here we go into Old Car Parts. So, come on in, check out my spot. I got lots of stuff here. We got stuff upstairs. We've got stuff downstairs. Go on back there, I'll show you. We've got engine parts new. We have bearings new. Turn around this way. We've got motor mounts and engine mounts here, all new. Carburetor parts, ignition stuff, brake parts. Engine gaskets as far back as we can go, probably maybe into the 20s, not sure. We'd have to dig if you call us. We have water pumps rebuilt in stock, ready to go for the early Chev 6-cylinders and all the way up, all GM, Pontiac, Buick, Olds, Cadillac, and GMC. We have hundreds of starters. Most of these are used, but we do keep some rebuilt ones in stock, or we do rebuild them for you on request. Flywheels, we probably have 500 flywheels. 6-cylinder Chevy heads. We try to keep these in stock. We get them Magnaflux and pressure tested. 235, 216, 261, 194, 230, 250 Chevrolet 6-cylinder, and some GMCs as we can get them. We also carry reproduction stuff, reproduction bumpers for the Chevy trucks from 47 to 72. 72 is kind of our end year, but we are moving up because of the popularity of the vehicles. We carry weather stripping new in stock, and that goes all the way back to 37 as well. We carry new glass, sweeper kits, harmonic balancers we have. They're mostly used, but we have those all the way back to the 30s as well. We have exhaust intake and exhaust manifold sets for the 6-cylinders. Window regulators we have here. Axles we keep. We've got, 500 axles here. And they go back to the 30s as well. Okay, come on, let's go upstairs. How much longer can we do this for? Okay. If you come back here, we've got used valve train, valve covers, shifter linkage. We've got lots of gears, side covers, and transmission stuff here from 37 up to 54. Gasket sets, NOS gears, bearing retainers, brand new. Fans, plenty of fans for your for the motors, cooling fans. Go upstairs, back stairs here. We carry lots of patch panel replacement parts from 37 as well. So pretty much everything we do is 37 to 72. So just if I'm talking, you'll know that that we cover that stuff. And I carry new radiators and used radiators. We have them checked before we sell them. Gas tanks. I do gas tanks as well. New gas tanks. Over against the back wall there is all suspension. There's shocks. There's pitman arms back there. Some new old stock, some used. We do some gear sets. There's more bumpers. There's Mary and the little lamb. And one or two of the wise men, I'm not sure. More gas tanks up here. up there. And then this is our pickup section, which is, it's all used stuff. But I mean, we got instrument clusters and vent assemblies and trinkets and ashtrays and gauge clusters, glove box doors, and there's door remotes here. We got lots of filler neck stuff. Lots of garnish moldings, inner and outer garnish moldings. Dashes and dash parts. That's a 37 pickup there. Seat tracks. Tons of seat tracks. Radios. More trim. There's a 39 only Chevrolet pickup dash right there. See that flat dash right there?
Yeah.
That's 39 only pickup, which is fairly rare. And then there's like a 78 Chevy pickup grill. Some interior stuff, you know, as we get it, that's any good, door panels and stuff, but it's used, you know, for the tops off the door panels and stuff. We've got hood hinges, bumper brackets, running board brackets, inner fender brackets, hinges, door hinges, tons of those. Somebody came in here and cleaned up, thank goodness.
You're welcome.
We have more glove box doors for cars and trucks here. Here's a real early one. I think it might even be like 35 Chevy. I'm not sure, but it's real early. Heater boxes, air cleaners, heater assemblies. And this is our brake shoe area. All new brake shoes. More brake shoes along here. Disc brake pads. Glass. Tons of glass. Go into the corner so they can see the heater cores. Vent assemblies, heater cores, radiators. Okay, that's it for now. We're gonna stop right now. We're gonna run another one after this. Okay, these are some of the cars we have for sale or parts. 53 Chevy 4-door Bel Air, stick shift car. 53, I think it's a 210, but it could be a Bel Air factory power steering.
Ooh.
It's a rusty bucket, so it's got lots of parts. And we have a 40 Chevy Coupe back here. This is a good car. We want $4,500 for it. Bought it in an auction. Then we have a 61 Bonneville Wagon. I got it running. We need to finish putting brakes on it. Come on. One owner, 51 Chevrolet Fleet Line. The old man died at 93 in 2018. It's all here. 216 3-speed. Got the factory spotlight slash rearview mirror. It's got the factory turn signal.
The chrome looks nice.
Chrome is decent. It's a desert car. Lift the hood. All original under the hood. Somewhere there's an air cleaner for it. Upholstery's not that great, but it's still. Show them the damage right here. It's got a little lower damage right here. Rock shield, go down lower so they can see underneath. And then it's got some damage right here. A little damage on the other side. Anyway, if you're that interested, just get a hold of us. Okay, that's enough for now.